Today, I'll make some Portuguese fried rice, which is a staple of Macau. I have a red pepper, a green pepper, some black olives, an onion, 2 carrots, and a chorizo ring. I'll finally chop the vegetables and mix them all together. Then I'll cut up some chorizo and put it to the side. Now I can get the leftover rice, tomato puree, and an egg out. As before, I'll whisk the egg. I'll start by browning a handful of vegetables. Then I'll add the chorizo, followed by the leftover rice and a tablespoon of tomato puree. Then I'll scramble everything with the egg. And here's my Portuguese fried rice. Thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. If you do subscribe, please remember to click the bell as well. I'll see you soon.